Iba yung closeness kasi namin ni Ann. Kasi madami kaming pinag-uusapan na kaming dalawa lang yung nag-e-enjoy, yung gano'n. Pag yung iba parang hindi sila iba yung understanding namin at saka open kami sa isa't isa, we support each other so much. Pero iba talaga yung love ko kay Ann. Very special siya sa akin. I miss her, I long for her, I care for her so much, I love her so much. Makikipag-away ako for her. I can be very brutally honest to her. Siya din ganun sa akin. Yung hindi ako matatakot na ma-offend ko siya at siya din hindi siya natatakot na ma-offend niya ako. Because at the end of the day, we will still choose each other and we will still choose to understand each other.
That's beautiful.
Ang ganda-ganda ng relationship namin. Umiiyak ako para sa kanya, umiiyak siya para sa akin. Nasasaktan kami para sa isa't isa.
Wow. I mean, I didn't think it was that deep, but I'm happy you shared it.
And there was even a point na it was so hard for me to keep doing Showtime without her.
Wow.
Nahihirapan ako, umiiyak ako nahihirapan ako pag wala ka. Kailangan kita, kailangan kang bumalik. Pinapakiusapan ko siya, samahan mo ko, kailangan kita, kailangan ko yung support mo. It was very hard for me to carry Showtime without her. With her in the show, it was so easy. It's a walk in the park. It's playtime, it's bardagulan, it's harutan, it's landian. Ganon kadali sa amin. Yung magkita lang kami, may material na yung show. Yung bisitin ko lang siya, makita ko lang yung bunganga niya, may magagawa na kami. O cry niya lang ako, may masaya na kami.